Here's the tutorial on how to make a sponge ball vanish. All you have to learn is a few things. The first thing is a back palm. You're going to place the sponge ball right here between your thumb and your index finger, right at the back, and you will clip it here. Now if you hold it from the wrong angle, everyone can see the sponge ball, but if you turn your hand at an angle like this and show them your palm, it shouldn't be visible. So if you turn it up, they can see it. If you turn it too much downwards, they can see it from the bottom, but if you hold it at the right angle, it's invisible. So all you need to learn is how to place the sponge ball right here. This is the exposed view. Close your hand, make a magical gesture and show your hands empty, even though the sponge ball is here. Then you're going to steal the sponge ball with your other hand between the thumb and index finger right here, and make a magical wave as you produce it, again from the right hand. Good luck with practicing, and let me know if you amaze your friends and family with this trick.